Good day world, magandang araw Pilipinas. Welcome back to another episode of You Have Been Warned. Ako si I Am Kuya Ash. Here we learn about different phenomenon that happens in our daily life. We get to their details and description, we try to know them, we explore, and we warn people. We want you to know what happens. We warn you. Are you familiar with rain that hurts the body when it touches you? Today in our episode, we learn about that. We learn about acid rain. If you're unaware, acid rain is a rainfall made sufficiently acidic by atmospheric pollution that it causes environmental harm, typically to forests and lakes. Acid rain or acid deposition is a broad term that includes any form of precipitation with acidic components such as sulfuric or nitric acid that fall to the ground from the atmosphere in wet or dry forms. This can include snow, rain, fog, hail, or even dust that is acidic. But we ask, how does it happen? Does it have any advantages? Or maybe a lot of disadvantages? What can we do to stop it? We will know that in today's episode. We invited two of our resident scientists to explain to us further. I invite in our video today Dr. Jasper Baron and physician AC Dumlao. Good day.
Good day.
Good day. Before we proceed to questions our watchers would have, could you tell us further, how does acid rain happen?
Well, acid rain happens when gases combine with atmospheric water. This form acid. Like the normal process of precipitation, when the waste gases and atmospheric water combines, it becomes acid. It then vaporizes and becomes rain, which can destruct nature, buildings, or even humans. The gases can become from volcanic eruption or even rotting vegetations, but Doc Jasper will explain it further.
The main cause on why it happens is due to the industrial burning of coal and other fossil fuels. Main factors on why acid rain happen can come from the combustion of coal and oil, which are the principal emission accountable for acidic disposition in the atmosphere. Power plants and manufacturing industries also contribute as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide gases are released in the atmosphere.
Alright, thank you docs for that brief but very informative explanation. But then again, a lot of our watchers has a lot of questions they want to clarify on and ensure. That is why we invited 4 lucky avid watchers of our show. They are watcher Joseph De Leon, watcher Jacob Uwalat, watcher Meljan Vera, and watcher Basti Desierto. I hope our scientists are ready to answer their questions. I will be calling them one by one. Let's start with Mr. Joseph. Sir?
Yes. Hello. Good day, Kuya Ash, inter-scientist. My question is very simple. May I ask, what are the advantages, if there are any, of acid rain? Thank you very much.
Well, one good advantage that acid rain has formed in new studies the sulfuric attributes in the rain may have benefit in limiting global warming by contracting the natural production of methane gases by microbes in wetland areas. Methane is one of the good greenhouse gases that cause global warming. Acid rain can prevent methane from entering the atmosphere. Aside from that, there are known more as most effective acid rain is destructive.
Thank you, Mr. Joseph and Doc AC. I hope the question was answered well. Moving on, let me call Mr. Jacob. Please ask away.
Thank you, Kuya Ash. And hello, Doc. My question is very simple. What are the disadvantages of acid rain in our planet?
Thank you, Doc Jasper. Thank you as well to our watcher, Mr. Jacob. Let us move on to our third question by Mr. Meljan. Go ahead.
Kuya Ash, and the other doctors as well. My question is, what will happen if you touch or get exposed to acid rain?
Hello. While acid rain cannot harm humans directly, the sulfur dioxide that creates it can cause health problems. Specifically, sulfur dioxide particles in the air can encourage chronic lungs problems like asthma or bronchitis. Although acid rain can cause burn to your skin if exposed too much. The main thing we can stay from the acid rain is really just air pollution that can affect our health, and it can burn us if it's exposed too much. Thanks.
Thank you, Doc AC, and our avid watcher, Mr. Meljon. May you get answers to your question. Next up, our fourth and last question. You may ask away, Mr. Basti.
Hello, Ash, and our scientist docs here. My question is fairly simple. What can we do so that we can lessen acid rain, or better, not make it happen? Thank you.
Thank you too. Well, alternative energy sources should be useful, such as solar and wind power. Renewable sources of energy are helping to reduce acid rain as they produce much fewer emissions. There are other electricity sources as well, such as nuclear power, hydropower, and geothermal energy. Among these, the most extensive use is among nuclear and hydropower. Moreover, we can also lessen it by conserving energy, plug it off any unused appliances, turn off lights if not needed, limit the use of aircons and the likes.
Alright, that's it. Thank you very much to our doctors, AC Dumlao and Jasper Baron, and to our watchers as well, Joseph, Jacob, Meljon, and Basti, who asked questions today. I hope you have learned a lot today. Let us be responsible. Let us remember what we heard today. Let us not turn a blind eye to the issues and phenomenon we face. Let us make our earth green and safe for all. This has been your Kuya Ash, never not stopping you in finding ways for you to learn and be aware of the scientific world around you. See you next week for another episode. Keep Earth safe starting now. Good day and keep safe.
What is acid rain?